Congratulations, you've made the smart switch to EcoBurner for a safer, cleaner and greener buffet experience. Here's how to use it. We recommend you store the EcoBurners upside down in a tray. Commercial dishwasher trays work really well. Check if the EcoBurner is already full by placing it in the filling station. It should never be filled above the green filling zone. Place the EcoBurner on a level surface and rotate the control dial to the maximum position and light the burner head. Allow 60 seconds for the burner head to start glowing orange, then it's ready for use. The EcoBurner can be adjusted by rotating the control dial. Don't touch the top as these areas will be extremely hot. The EcoBurner can now be placed into the clip under any EcoServe unit, EcoPan, or under any traditional chafing dish. When service is finished, turn the EcoBurners off by rotating the control dial and waiting 15 minutes for them to cool down. Then it is time to refill and get ready for the next service. Ensure the area you are in is well ventilated and there are no open flames or other lit EcoBurners. You'll need an EcoBurner, a filling station, and an EcoBurner fuel refill canister. Before you refill the EcoBurner, place it on the filling station to ensure it is not already full. It should never be filled above the green filling zone. Maximum weight for a full EcoBurner is 435 grams or 15.5 ounces. Check the EcoBurner is in the off position and turn it upside down on a level surface. Place the canister nozzle into the filler valve and rotate until it drops into position. Press down on the canister to refill until droplets of moisture appear, indicating it is full. The sound will also change, indicating the EcoBurner is getting full. An empty EcoBurner takes around 40 seconds to fill. Check the EcoBurner is always full using the filling station. The EcoBurners are now ready for use at the next buffet service and can be put back into storage. If you would like to arrange some EcoBurner training for your staff or need any further support using EcoBurner, please contact us by scanning this QR code or email info@ecoburner.com.